Hi everyone, welcome back to Humans of EV, where we'll be talking about technology and cars. Today I'll be talking to Prachi about her long-term ownership review of Tiago EV. So, why did you decide to switch to EV instead of a conventional gas vehicle?
Actually, I'm very passionate about the environment and ecological balance. So the first thought that came to my mind, and since I had to change my car because it has reached to its end of life cycle, why not switch to EV? So with that, many questions came to my mind. Why EV? What is the price range? So actually, I had to go above my price range to buy Tiago. And so the reason that I bought a EV was, first of all, it was environmental friendly,
So,
more convenient.
how much would you say you went above your price range to get a EV vehicle?
Yeah, so I use my car just to drive from one destination to another, and I've actually run on very basic cars till now. So I actually went around 30% above my range, and which I feel that it is worth it after I bought Tiago E.
Okay, so would you say that the running costs compensate for the overall higher price of the vehicle?
Yeah, to be very frank, it's not the running cost, right? Because what you are running right now, you can actually cannot compensate it for the feature that you are getting for this car. The drivability is very good.
Okay. And what are these features that you speak of that are so much better than other conventional gas vehicles?
The main first convenience is you don't have to go to the stations for getting a refuel. The second one is it has lots of features which you will get only at high-end cars, and I feel it is a value for money. And the third one is definitely it's economical to run.
And did you face any sort of trouble or problems during setting up of the charging infrastructure or the charging itself?
Yeah, I think the charging infrastructure took some time because I was the first individual who had EV at my apartment, and they had to set up a home charging station for me. So apart from that, I did not face any issues. It took around 1 week, so I had to wait for it. So apart from that, in charging, I didn't face any issues, and it is pretty comfortable and smooth till now.
Okay, and what are the features that you seem to like most about this car?
The main feature that I like about this car is the drivability. It's pretty smooth. And the second one is the music system is impeccable, and it has range sensors, and you don't have to worry about different things like manual things. And then it has got automated parking lights.
Okay.
So once you get into dark places, it automatically switches itself on. So you just have to enjoy the ride. That's it.
Okay. So EV vehicles are generally considered lower maintenance than conventional petrol or gas vehicles. So do you think you would agree with that statement or not?
Actually, it's a very good question, and I would partially agree with it. I can just tell you what is my experience. In my 2 years of running experience with this car, I felt it's low maintenance, and initially I was very apprehensive about the battery life. But right now, till 2 years, it's pretty low maintenance, and I think it is pretty economical to run on.
So now that you have owned the Tiago EV for a while, and it has been quite a bit, around 2 years I assume, what would you say about this, and would you still buy it if you had the chance?
Yeah, definitely. I would definitely recommend it, this car for in this price range because it is value for money.
Overall, the Tiago EV is a great car to drive. It's environmentally friendly, and the features that are given in this are usually found a few segments above. Now, the drivability is smooth compared to CVT engines, which usually have a bit of lag when you accelerate. But given that, there are a few cons as well. The range is not very good, and I think the range given about is 200, but it gives around 150-ish, especially if you drive a bit rash. And this is very good as a secondary car, but unless you have a primary gas fueled vehicle, this isn't recommended. But if you do, then it's a very good car.